Anyways, I'm in big Montego Bay, and all the beaches are closed in Montego Bay. Who beg now get and who beg no want?
Who beg now get?
So good morning, Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Day 2022, and I'm in sunny Jamaica. It's like 90 degrees, the breeze is blowing, it's super humid and nice. I have not taken up my vlogging camera, not once since I've been here, because I've just been enjoying the moment. I don't like vlogging when I come to Jamaica. I just like living and basking in the moment, and sometimes I feel like the vlog camera actually takes away from that. Excuse me if you can hear my kids TV show. They're watching TV, but I'm outside on the veranda. Today is the second to last day, and babe wants to do some vlogging, and I also want to go to the beach. So in an hour or so I'm gonna wake him up because he's sleeping, he's resting, and then we're gonna get dressed and get out of here. I also want to take some pictures. I have a bathing suit that I want to take a picture in, and I also have a white dress that I got from Amazon, but I want to style it a little bit different. Hi, Milani. Hi.
Cheese.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
But that's what we're doing today, and then tomorrow is our last day here, and I want to go shopping for all the stuff that I normally get before I leave Jamaica, which is what I am going to do. So Auntie Cutie, if you're new here, Auntie Cutie is my grand aunt. She's probably gonna take me to Sav. That's Savannah to all the other people that don't know. We don't call it Savannah, we actually call it Sav. And get some magnum, some rum cream, some spices, and fish and bami, and all of that. We probably go to Barda because babe wanna go to Barda tomorrow. So we have a few things to do, and I will vlog those as best as possible. So that's what we're doing today. Oh, and it never fails. Every time I come have something to do or go on vacation, I always get a pimple. These two big pimples are on my face. But anyways, yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
I sure did. We start this morning.
Yeah, Mommy. Yeah.
You ready, Papa?
Yeah, I am ready.
You are ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Mommy?
Yeah.
The lighting is good right here. Babe, just wake up. Babe, say me done out. Are you wake up early out of your bed? Me stay in bed and sleep. Okay? I am a sleeper girl. I like my sleep. Anyways, I'm in big Montego Bay, and all the beaches are closed in Montego Bay, right? On Christmas Day, which is why me love which part me come from, because if me did there Negril, I am sure I would find a beach. I can't believe y'all put up with this. And the people them that actually live here that are trying to go to the beach, they're at this little corner jumping off. People are put up them stand and sitting because all the other beaches are closed. Vendors. Crazy. It's crazy. I promise I would try vlog more consistently, which is what I'm trying to do. But babe went to go get me some coconut water. Because we've been cramping it since we got here. Random cramps. So yeah, that's it. Until he brings me the coconut water. Oh, and the kids are sleeping. And Kai, they're over here. So Kai's been asking to go to the beach since we got here, and now he fast asleep. But he woke up early like his dad, and that's why his dad went to sleep, he didn't. So people them set up them. Let me show you guys. Them vending and stuff out here. I think we are gonna have to wake up super early tomorrow, super duper early, and go to the beach in Negro. Tried and true, it has never failed us yet. I love my hair. My hair actually looks amazing, and I have an extra outfit that I want to take pictures in and all of that. So I think that would be perfect if we wake up early and head to Negro. So we at Pepper's Hotspot Bar and Grill. Make up my mind, so I want oxtail and curry goat for a long time. So this is one of the closest restaurants to us, and I got the food. Me did a people watch, and boy oh boy, one couple there they take out about 50 million catering plate. Me just they say if they couldn't help them take out the plate them. Let's hope this food is good, because I'm very hypercritical of food that we eat. Island Grill yesterday, so I ate Island Grill before. I ate it in the airport, and it was seasoned better and it did taste better.
Go on.
But we still eat the food. It wasn't bad. And plus
Get the long one.
It wasn't expensive anyways. And then
Get the long one.
And then Kai is here. Kai is finally up. Malani, keep your hands off my camera. There's Malani. She's crying because her dad went in the store, in the place to go get the food.
Get the bonbons.
But I'll tell you guys how the food tastes. Oh, and it was also pretty expensive. Babe, say paid 10,000 something.
Get the bonbons. I know you can do it.
Anyways, me like my food cheap and affordable, but this will have to do since it's Christmas Day. So we're back in the Airbnb. We couldn't find anything or any beach with parking or anything like that. So we're back in this Airbnb. The Airbnb is nice. So this is the first room.
Daddy.
That's the living area, the dining area, and the kitchen. And that's the other room right here. Let me turn on the light. So while the curtains are cute, they're see-through. That's one thing. The bathroom shower head is plastic and it's just weird, and you can't take a proper full shower. The toilet seat is plastic and weird. Keep moving around. And to get in here, the property manager took, I think, like 2 or 3 hours to get us in here. Babe was actually looking up a hotel for us to stay. That's how long it took. He called him on about 50 million times and he didn't answer. It's a good Airbnb, good location. We actually got to find everything. It's 10 minutes away. But the property manager, they need to do a better job. Get somebody else. It was better if he told us that they run taxi and him going to be late than to tell lie that he didn't see Babe calling him 5 million times. Babe even went and got the security to call him and he didn't pick up. But anyways, we're back home. When you're traveling, nothing ever goes the way you want. So we're gonna pivot. Tomorrow we'll wake up early and go to the beach in Negro. And I'll get to take my pictures and do whatever I want to do. But for now, I'm gonna change my clothes. I'm gonna drink rum. I'm gonna tell you how the food tastes from Pepper's.
It's wet, Mike. It's wet.
It's wet. Hi, Melanie. Your foot's wet.
It's foot, Mike.
Okay.
It's foot.
Okay, babe. I didn't even know if I showed you guys my outfit. So this top is from MAC collection. This is a set from Shein that I just have the skirt on, and then the swimsuit, darling, is from Shein also. So yeah, nice outfit. But yeah, watch out, Melanie, they do the same thing. Watch out. But anyway. And also the pillows on the beds are super hard. They need to change these because these are see-through. They're cute and all, but they're see-through. And another thing, this house have a lot of rules and regulation, and when a lot of people are coming to Jamaica, they're coming to enjoy themselves. While we may not be throwing parties and stuff, like this house have a long list of rules and regulations, excessive to a point where, would I stay here again? I don't know. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go change and get comfy and start drinking mineral.
Garbage of mess one. Maybe I'll take the chocolate.
Me not take no picture. The food me look fun.
I'm saying you don't be vlogging with adequate light, but then your thing is different.
This food very little bit. For the price we paid, a very little bit. Anyways. So good morning. The last time you guys saw us, we were getting food from Pepper's. Let's just say the curry goat was really good. The oxtail was good also, but the oxtail, the browning part need a little bit more ketchup. It never have enough ketchup for my taste bud. And I will say the portion size is way too small for the amount of money that we paid. We got a medium-sized plate, and in the grand scheme of things, if we did find food at cook shop, it would have tasted just the same, but we already got bigger portions for less. But all in all, okay experience. I think to get your money's worth, you would have to and you would have to dine in and get the whole experience. I guess you're paying for the experience and the view and the name. But other than that, today is our last day here. We're going to Westmoreland. Malani, stop doing that. And we're going to Westmoreland today. And I need to go pick up stuff to bring back. So I'll take you guys on that journey because we need to go south. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. And I did the same hairstyle that I did yesterday, so. Say hi.
Mommy.
Yes, Kai.
That makes a biggest problem.
So we're back in Montego Bay with all of my stuff that I serve. I didn't get any footage because me did run up and down I serve, and I couldn't get a lot of what I wanted. I wanted some more sorrel beer and couldn't get them. I think sorrel beer ration, you know, because nobody don't have none. But we made it. I see we were carrying this in them. And Kai, why are you taking out the cushions? Put it back. From this boy, come here, you know, stop take out the people them cushion. Put them back, Kai.
It's
So I'm packing all the stuff. I only have two rum creamer.
All those things.
Got a piece of clothes.
Mommy, what are these things, Mommy?
How about you leaving?
Get nasty.
Excuse me, Kai.
Get nasty. Mommy, this name says get nasty, Mommy.
Yes, Kai. God Almighty. Just shut up the whole of my business.
Hi. Hi,
Hi, welcome. We just got back from Jamaica and I'm packing out
Come
all
on,
this
come
stuff.
on.
So,
Oh, God,
what is it, mommy? Make sure you don't stuff your hand or nothing in my back of the hair. Color.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
Yes, babe. You do? So,
That's just the one stuff.
so the last time I went to Jamaica, I didn't get to bring up anything. Auntie Cutie had a bunch of ackee and stuff for me and I didn't get to bring up any of it. My mom actually went down there and took all of it. So this time, I came for revenge. I came for revenge this time. I wanted everything, okay?
Yo.
I wanted to make sure this time that I got everything I wanted in Jamaica.
Yo, look at I unpack. She unpacking them. I think she wrap them there.
Yeah, in
She wrapped them. Check this out, yo. Look at. Yo, one bar, come back in the burger. Yo, watch me. Hold on there. Listen. Campari, if you give me some endorsement money, right? But Campari is my favorite drink. Wife says she don't know how to drink it, cause it's bitter. But it's them aromatic bitters there that neutralizes the excess sugar that you put into your blood. That is like I don't know, y'all get drunk off our medicine and them thing there. Watch out. Watch out. Magnum for cut the check to it now. Magnum for cut the check, and this is her favorite right here. Yeah, the sorrel beer. Lord God, look out. Yo. Yeah, take out somebody's bar.
So like this one before. So this is D&G sorrel flavor rum. I saw it and I had to pick up one and I want to see how this tastes. So let's show y'all the spread. So the spread, that's the spread right there. The soap. That.
Who beg?
Now get.
No, who beg don't want?
Who beg now get and who beg no want?
Who beg now get?
Who beg?
And who don't beg?
No want. I'm a aki. I'm a kalalu and stuff. So that's it for my little unpacking series. I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all got to see how I packed and unpacked. So with that being said, deuces.